Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about some of the key differences between structure and union. So the structure is created with the struct keyword, but the union is created with the union keyword. And the size of structure is greater than or equal to the sum of the size of all of its members. But in case of union, the size of union is equal to the size of the largest member of union. Like an example, here we have one structure called test, and the structure has the character and the integer member. So the size of structure will be the addition of size of character and the size of integer. So the total size of structure will be 1 plus 4, so it will take 5 bytes. But in case of union, the size of union will be the largest member of the union. Because the integer has 4 bytes, so the total size of union will be 4 bytes. And also in case of structure, each member is assigned unique storage location. But in case of union, the memory is shared between the individual members. And also because the structure member has unique storage location, so the several members can be accessed at the same time. But in case of union, because the union members share the memory, so only one member can be accessed at a time. So these are the key differences between structure and union in C++ programming. Hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.